Hey guys, welcome to Tactim. Hope you are doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to record WhatsApp call. So in this case, you have to download a application first. Its name is Cube ACR. So install it in your device. Please hold a second. After install, it will scan for a while. Scanning. Your app is installed. Let's see. Here is the app. Go to the app first. Click on next. Grant permission. Allow everything. Now you can see the enable app connector. Click on that. Now you can find here the Cube ACR app connector. Click on that and enable it. Okay, go back again, and you have to click on add Cube to auto start. This one. Find your app and enable it. Cube ACR. Go back. Okay, got it. Yes. You don't need to share your location. No thanks. Now click on cross. And now you can see many of the social media. You have to choose your one. This is the WhatsApp. Click on that. Now you can see the WhatsApp. If I'm calling to my friend, it will record automatically background. Let's see how. So I'm calling now. See, this is recording. Hello, what's up?
I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, good. Thank you so much for calling. So let's see if it's recorded or not. Go to the app. Okay, got it. You can see here the record call is recorded.
See, this is recording.
My network is full, that's why
Hello,
it's
what's
shaking.
up?
But this is how you can record call in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching the video.